Downtown traffic, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta departing runway 26. Knoxville, I should approach Grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
And the Grumman crawling approach, there, call sign again?
November 66 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, Knoxville approach, altimeter 3015, say intentions.
66 Romeo Delta looking to pick up IFR to Papa Delta Kilo.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, roger, standby. Commuter 5001, contact tower 121.2, thanks for the help.
Over tower, commuter 5001.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, squawk 5250.
5250 for 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, your radar contact 4 miles west of downtown Island Airport. Maintain VFR and turn left heading 140.
Left turn 1406 Romeo. Do you want me to be on the around 3,000 feet or you want me to climb?
Climb, expect your clearance here momentarily.
Was that for 6 Romeo Delta?
6 Romeo Delta, affirmative. Keep the VFR climb going, heading 140.
VFR climb going 1406 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, this is a full route clearance. You ready to copy that?
Yeah, go ahead, 6 Romeo Delta.
Number 66 Romeo Delta, you're cleared at the Peachtree DeKalb Airport via radar vectors, heading 140 for now. Then direct Harris, that's Hotel Romeo Sierra, to join Victor 463. Direct Womack, that's Whiskey, Oscar, Mike, Alpha, Charlie. Then direct, climb maintain 6,000 for now, expect 8,010 minutes.
Clear direct to PDK, 140 heading for now. The Harris 463 OMAC, climb to 6,000 for now and expect 8,010 minutes. 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, readback is correct. Number 6 Romeo Delta, climb maintain 8,000, fly present heading.
8,000, present heading 6 Romeo.
Number 6 Romeo Delta, turn right direct Harris.
Direct Harris 6 Romeo. Knoxville, Grumman 66 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, go ahead.
Knoxville, looking for higher. Looks like it's going to be bumpy here over the ridges.
6 Romeo Delta, roger, climb maintain 10,000. Let me know if you need higher than that.
Climb and maintain 10,000, 6 Romeo Delta. So we had a great trip to Knoxville. Just stayed for a day. The Knoxville downtown airport is pretty cool. So it's actually on an island. Some incredible views. So at 9,000 it started becoming bumpy. So the mountains here go up to 5 to 6,000. So it's always a good idea to have about 2,500 feet. So the winds are, we have headwinds, basically it's gonna crossing the ridges almost perpendicularly.
Bravo 6 Romeo Delta, traffic 11 o'clock, 7 miles opposite direction, altitude indicates 8,500, types unknown.
6 Romeo Delta looking for the traffic. 6 Romeo Delta, we have the traffic inside, looks like a no factor.
Roger.
140 for altitude 0.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, traffic no factor, contact Atlanta Center 134.8.
134.8, 6 Romeo Delta, thanks for your help. Atlanta Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, level 10,000.
Who was that?
November 66 Romeo Delta, level 10,000.
November 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta Center, roger. Atlanta Center, good afternoon. Western Carolina altimeter 3018.
3018, good afternoon, Scramble. The winds are coming at us at an angle. Gonna cause some swirling action. Gonna come over this way, so it's a good idea to stay above at least 2,000 feet above the ridges. We're much higher than that right at this point, so we should be okay for now.
November 6 Romeo Delta, descend to maintain 7,000.
Down to 7,000, 6 Romeo Delta.
November 66 Romeo Delta, contact approach 126.907.
2697, 6 Romeo.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Atlanta approach Victor is current at PDK, expect a visual approach to 21 left.
Expect a visual to 21 left, 6 Romeo.
November 66 Romeo Delta, you're clear direct to PDK.
Direct to PDK, 6 Romeo.
Cherokee 6149 Juliet, yep.
Atlanta approach 6149.
You have to hold tight, okay? Navia, hold it tight, okay?
Yes,
So we're gonna land, so hold tight. Hold it with 2 hands. So you can watch it.
66 Romeo Delta, turn right heading 270 for sequence.
2706 Romeo.
November 66 Romeo Delta, contact Peachtree Tower 120.9, you are cleared visual approach to 21 left.
Contact Tower 6 Romeo, cleared for visual 21 left.
Arch 58 Alpha, set that right downwind departure, please.
Down departure now, 658 Alpha. Tower Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, visual for 21 left.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Tower, runway 21 left, continue.
Continue, 6 Romeo. Wind check, please.
Wind calm.
Tower Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, we can take that 21 left or 21 right.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, which runway would you like? You're cleared visual approach runway 21 left currently.
Take 21 right if that's available.
Grumman 6 Romeo Delta, cleared visual approach runway 21 right. Change to runway 21 right. Runway 21 right, clear to land.
21 right, clear to land, 6 Romeo Delta.
Fix change route, see you later.
Fuel pump on, landing lights on.
Gamma Jet 860, Peachtree Tower, turn left heading 140, runway 21 left, clear for takeoff. November 66 Romeo Delta, right on Foxtrot, contact ground point 6, have a good day.
Right on Foxtrot, contact ground 6 Romeo Delta.
Grumman 66 Romeo Delta, Peachtree Ground, you parking north ramp.
North ramp 6 Romeo Delta.
6 Romeo Delta, taxi north ramp via Alpha Delta, across runway 16, have a good day.
Alpha Delta, cross runway 16 for north.